Hey everyone, Shaunus here. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about another issue that some of our students had, and I'm going to address that issue. And that issue was setting up your Aweber account and the receiving email. So let me explain what is that, what I'm talking about. So in order to set up a Aweber account and Aweber list, basically, you need to have an email that people can actually reply back for every email that you send out. Okay, now the problem with that is Aweber doesn't accept emails from free email services like Gmail, Hotmail, or Yahoo and that kind of stuff. You have to have an email from a domain, some email that is legit from a domain or a website. So obviously you cannot use your own free emails, so you like a Gmail account. So in order to do that, you need to set up an email for yourself. Now this is going to cost some money, but remember that this is an email that you can use everywhere. And as a business owner, as someone who is starting an online business, you need to have a email on your own domain or any domain that you want. So this is just a professional thing to have. It's good for you to have, obviously, and also you can use this email anywhere else. So it's really a good thing to have. For example, in my case, it's Sean@toplevel affiliate.com. This is the email that I use. So in order to set an email like this, it's really easy and simple. What you do is you need to first get a domain for yourself. So you go to a website called instantdomainsearch.com and you just search for a domain. So let me just find a domain. So I sell everything here. So there you go. So I sell everything here. Oh yeah, that's okay. Anyway, so for example, this is the domain I'm gonna buy, right? So you gotta in this case, I'm gonna use GoDaddy to buy this domain. So all you gotta do is just go to GoDaddy.com. If you don't have an account, create an account and buy your domain. It's very cheap. I mean, it's gonna cost you like $7. So after you buy your domain, what you're gonna do is you go to your domain section. And not the domain section, but you go to your account, right? So you go to your account here. This is gonna be the page, the account, and what you do is you go to email and office and click on manage. And when you click on manage, it's gonna give you options to. It's gonna give you an option to create an email for your domain. It's really easy and sweet. Okay, so first of all, you gotta choose the domain. So if you just have one domain, obviously it's just gonna be one domain, right? It's really simple. For example, I'm gonna create an email on this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna choose it and click on continue. And then I'm just going to choose my email. So I'm going to call it SMB. For example, this is the email I'm going to create, smb@aversity.com. And then I'm just going to name it, Sean Bagari. Then I'm just going to choose a plan, give it a password, okay? And then you're going to check this. Now, this email is going to cost you $4.99 a month, okay? The first month is going to be free. And the next month is going to be $4.99 a month. It's really cheap. It's cheaper than Google, actually. So this is how you create your email. After you do that, you just click on create, and it's going to create an email for you. So if you can get emails, so you have a professional email, and when you do that, you can just use this email on your Aweber account as a receiving email. So you can put smb@aversity.com, and in my case, for example. So this is how you create a domain-based email for your Aweber use or any other use. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next video.